Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing fine. So let's talk about today's video where I am going to talk about my trading setup and market situation for tomorrow. So let's start with today's video and let's talk about my trading setup. So if you see, this is where the market ended on Friday, which is 15183. So we will take this as a support for tomorrow. So now if we have taken this as a support, we have three scenarios. If market opens gap up, if market opens gap down, and if market opens flat, then what we have to do. So if market opens gap up and if it opens above the level of 15210, yes, I'm not giving you the accurate or the round figure of 15200 because I want market to stay above this level. If market stays above this particular level, then we can stay in call option. But in case if market opens gap up, goes above this level, but apparently after a hour of trading hour, if it comes down, then we are not going to stay in call. Then we just have to sit quietly and do nothing. And if you are going to trade above this level, if market opens gap up, you have to put a stop loss of 15190. That will be the stop loss. We have second scenario, which is market opening gap down. So in our second scenario, we see at this particular stage market has consolidated a bit. So we'll take this level as a resistance for put. So now if market opens gap down, if it opens gap down and crosses this particular level of 15119, then we can expect market to fall a bit. But if market crosses or breaks the level of 15077, then we can stay in put option, but with a stop loss of 15077. I'm going to tell you same thing again and again. Next week is the expiry week of monthly and weekly. We can expect market to be really very volatile, so we have to trade accordingly. It's not necessary to trade every day or every week. It's better to stay safe, save your money for next week. So this is the scenario of gap down. We have third scenario, which is market opening flat. Now if market opens flat and if it trades between somewhere this point, between this point, then this is no trade zone. I'll write it here for you all. This is no trade zone. No trade zone. No one is allowed to trade in this particular zone because we don't know how market is going to be. But in case if market consolidate a bit but breaks the level of 15210, then we can stay in put call option. Then we can stay in call option. But if not, then we don't have to trade. Same scenario for market going down after consolidation. If market breaks the level of 15119 or 15077, then we can go and stay in put option. Before that, we are not supposed to stay in put option, and above for call we are not supposed to trade if market doesn't go above 15210. These are the three setups for tomorrow. One more thing what I want to show you is market has made a trend line. So if you all see, this is a trend line which market had made. Just allow me a minute. So there might be a possibility of market coming here and coming somewhere over here for touching or respecting the trend line. So let's see how market is going to react. So these are my three trading setups for tomorrow. So let's start with the market situation. If you see, last week Bank Nifty was up 7%. This was the best performing index. There were many reasons for market to go downside last week. As you all know that there was a fear of US inflation. Then again China talking about the steel sector. Then the major thing, which was cryptocurrency, which fell almost 30 to 35%. But if you see, market fell because of the reasons, small reasons, but It recovered on Friday. Market recovered on Friday. Nifty was 250 points up on Friday. So that is a nice thing. As last month, because of coronavirus, Nifty came under selling pressure, as we all know. But as now coronavirus cases are like coming down, so that is a good news for market as well for India. So this might be a reason for market shorting up more. So we are talking about next week. So next week we have results for many companies. The companies are Glenmark, Acer, Sun Pharma, Berger Paint, Grassen, BPCL, and MGL. These are the company which has results on. I don't really know which exactly days are that. I'll tell you on my next video on which day the company is going to announce the result. As next week is a expiry week, as I have told you earlier, we can expect market to be really very volatile, and it is also monthly and weekly expiry. I have told you this earlier, I am telling you again. It's a monthly expiry and a weekly expiry. We can expect market to fall or rise. That means market can be volatile. If we talk about SGX Nifty, it was down on Friday. It was in negative. But when we talk about Nifty, it was up by 250 points. See, in every video I tell you to book small profits. Do not wait for longer period. This I tell you because I want all of you, all the new traders, not to book losses. I want you all to book profits. That's why I tell you not to wait for longer profits. Market might be, or Nifty might be trade between 4900 to 15400 for next week. Let's see how it goes. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and please go and follow my Instagram handle. Thank you so much. I hope you all are safe. Take care.